If you encounter this error message while setting up a business email on Microsoft 365, DNS resource record is not valid or conflicts with another resource record. This is what it means, and this is how to resolve it. This error simply means that the DNS record is either incorrect or that the highlighted name, Autodiscover, already exists in the DNS zone of your domain account. Okay, in this case, the name Autodiscover already exists. So to fix this issue, go ahead and either delete the existing record or edit it with the required value. Autodiscover.outlook.com. Then also edit the value of the TTL and then update record and save changes. So with this, it's done. Thank you.